a hearty welcome to one and all present here.
Hi guys!
Come on everybody, get set, go!
Umar, are you ready?
Hey friends, we are back with yet another travel vlog. Today, Umar Ali and I are taking you straight to the world famous steam engine train journey in Dandenong Ranges, which is just half an hour travel from Melbourne CBD. Well, I must say the weather today was so romantic. It was raining and it was not very cold, not too sunny. Just apt to match my vibe for travel today. I love the rain.
The biggest one is Mount Dandenong, and that sits at just over 630 metres above sea level. On a crystal clear day like today, well, not like today, but on other days, you can actually climb all the way to the top and see across to the Melbourne city skyline. We're really not that far away from Melbourne. We're probably only about 30-ish kilometres.
OMG, such elegant roads. These beautiful, calm roads are personified as highs and lows of our lives. Sometimes life gets curvy, sometimes straight. We all enjoy it anyway with surprises of cool, rainy blessings. Sometimes thunders of mishaps too. We do travel the journey of life anyway with open arms for surprises like this kangaroo we met on the way.
Well, everyone's seen a wild kangaroo now. How good. Yeah, so that was called a wallaby. It is just a different species of kangaroo. There's 52 different species of kangaroo in Australia. So there's no such thing as a standard kangaroo. So the wallabies, as you probably could tell, it was a little bit smaller.
Hey Umar.
Hi.
Hi. Are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we? Where are we?
Are
we
Puffing Billy?
Puffing Billy? Yeah.
Excited?
Excited?
Puffing Billy.
Super
yes.
excited.
Yes, sir.
What do you have, boy?
A wristband and a ticket.
Oh, wow.
Ticket
Show
is
me
for
the
something like coffee, juice, and this is to enter the train, the Puffing Billy.
Show me nicely. Wow. I like the wristband. And this is the ticket to the railway station and the railway carriage. Explore Australia in the 24, car number A5. Okay. And this is mine.
How do I
Wow.
do this?
I'll do it. I'll help you. Wow. You lucky champ, Umar. I wish I had the band. Just kidding. Come on, let's go. Wow.
We are trying to spend some time in the souvenir shop as our departure was half an hour later.
Beautiful. These are little gifts. Umar, what are you doing?
Hi guys, so now we are gonna buy some gummies.
Huge lucky champ.
Yeah, this is the gummy.
Okay.
That should be the gummy. I took three by accident. I need only
Just one.
one
Yeah.
and that. So I think I'm gonna take sour lizards.
Lizards. Oh my goodness.
Bears.
Gummy bears. You're not dropping it down, okay?
Okay. Now I'm gonna.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, and you're eating this after the breakfast. Okay?
Wait,
That's enough, I said.
with this.
Uma, not with your hand. Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Why they stopping me?
That ringing bell sound gave me happy travel vibes. Did you know that this steam train is more than 100 years old? It was built in 1900. Hanging feet out of the car was real fun. We started the journey from Belgrave and we are heading to Menzies Creek, enjoying the cool breeze and scenic natural beauty in the high mountains.
Umar, what happened? Why are you wandering?
Here we arrived Menzies Creek.
Wow, yellow engine.
The travel became more interesting after we crossed the Menzies Creek station. Here we arrived at the lakeside and met some of our good friends.
And the weather held off for you too.
Don't make noise.
And my son Omar Ali is already a pro in giving reactions. Queen Australia 1212 pays huge respect to all the staff members of Puffing Billy to contribute your services voluntarily.
What is it, baby? So beautiful. Red and purple. Hi. So cute. Oh my goodness. Another one.
Oh my goodness, finally I found a cafe. Lakeside Visitor Center. Coffee. I call this my peace of mind. Surprisingly, we found a little museum in which different engines were kept for display.
This? Oh, it's the water one. Keeping on track. Thank you. Amazing. I mean, how old is this? It's so. Oh, okay. Something here. A small cafe. The best was this.
Final was a couple of months ago, and they had 100,022 people there.
So this was a fun-filled one-day trip to Puffing Billy. We are way back home after shooting another successful travel vlog. I'm sure you all had a lot of fun with us. We will come back soon with another vlog, and that would be Wilson's Promontory. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later. Bye bye. Take care.
To find things to do, which doesn't happen very often. But if you are, a couple of things I would suggest doing that are in the city or very close to the city. Going up Sky Deck is really cool. It's the third tallest building in Melbourne. You've got 80